insight. Thank you for my chance to begin again. Free me from the limitation of yesterday. Today, I may be reborn. May I become more fully a reflection of your radiance. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Children's Day to all. Today's thought for the day is the best way to predict the future is to create it. I repeat, the best way to predict the future is best way to predict the future is to create it. Thank you.
Farming is an innovative topic. Good morning, everyone. Today, let's dive into a topic that's not only relevant but also transformative. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in everyday life. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has gone from being a concept in science fiction to become a real force that shapes our daily life. But what's exactly about it isn't just that it exists, it's that it's transforming everything we touch, from our smartphone to our health, education, and entertainment. Why AI? Imagine an app that knows exactly what song you would love to hear next, or software that can detect disease in the earliest stage just by looking at a scan. There are not futuristic dreams anymore. Thanks to innovation in AI and machine learning, we now have tools that learn from data, improving themselves over time, and making prediction with incredible accuracy. Tell you something about real-world application of AI. Healthcare innovation. AI can now diagnose diseases like skin cancer or predict heart disease by analyzing patterns that even expert doctors might miss. Imagine how wearable device that alert you of a health risk long before any symptoms appear. In education, adaptive learning systems are being developed to tailor education on each student's strengths and weaknesses, meaning no two students needs to follow the same exact path. You could soon have a digital learning companion that understands how you learn best. In sustainable living. AI is also being used to combat climate change. For optimizing renewable energy uses to predict weather patterns, AI helps us understand and mitigate the impact of climate change more effectively. Smart devices. AI-powered devices in your home can now adjust the lighting, suggest receipts, and even secure your house. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa learn from your preferences, making your daily routine smoother and more connected. Why is this important for you, by the way? As a student, you are at the perfect age to embrace and shape this technology. AI and machine learning are fields that are growing fast, and you have the chances to drive it forward. You can be the generation that creates AI that's ethical, inclusive, and genuinely transformative. Skills for the future. If AI excites you, think about learning some basics in coding, data science, and algorithms. These aren't just technical skills. They are gateways into creative problem solving. And don't overlook critical thinking and ethics, because the decision we make with AI today will shape our world for generations to come. Now, I'll close my speech. AI and machine learning are not just technologies. They are mindsets that encourage us to see patterns, learn continuously, and innovate boldly. So I challenge each of you to start learning about AI. The tools are at your fingertips. Who knows? The next big innovation is in AI, good from one of you sitting right here. Thank you, and let's keep innovating together.
Good morning, students. So let's start with our mission, Techno Education for Global Competence.
Techno education.
I will repeat again. Staff be ready. Our mission, Techno Education for Global Competence. Our mission, to attain the status of globally recognized education and training institution with multidimensional growth by enlarging and delivering training and industry-focused programs and prepare the most out training with enhanced core competences as required by customer and society. Happy Children's Day. Thank you so much.
Hello. Okay. So today's HR principal, Thursday. The title is 4 Ways to Analyze Worry. So what is the meaning of that? It is written into that. We never think of this HR principle very useful. Okay. Why we have kept it here in our CCCD is some purpose for it. We should understand the meaning of this HR principle. Okay. So Thursday, why we have kept it on the day wise? Every day, if we think of that, we will be able to update. That is the purpose of the HR principle. Okay. So today I am going to read the Thursday. 4 ways to analyze worry. Okay. No, need not repeat. I am going to read first, then you have to repeat afterwards. First part. Get all the facts. Weigh all the facts. And then come to a decision. That meaning people have to understand. What is the meaning of that? Means weigh all the facts. You have to analyze the fact. What is the meaning of that? And then come to the decision. Before that, don't think of that. Okay, I have to take decision. Whether it is correct or not, that we have to first analyze it. Once a decision is reached, repeat it please.
Once the decision is reached,
Staff, please read out. Once a decision is reached, act. Then number 4 is write the answer of the following questions. What is the problem? What are the causes of the problem? What are the possible solutions? Okay, so this way we can overcome our worries. Now the 4 ways to overcome the worries. How to overcome the worries? First we have analysis, active, and then how to overcome. So live in the daylight compartments. Face the troubles in the following ways. Ask yourself, what is that can possibly happen? Prepare mentally to accept the worst. Try to improve on the worst. Remind yourself to the exorbitant price you can pay for worries in terms of your health. Apply the law of averages in your favor. Thank you. Happy Children's Day.
Believe in yourself. Stand up. Be bold. Be strong. Take the whole responsibility on your own shoulders. And know that you are the creator of your own destiny. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Do not believe you are weak. Stand up and express the divinity in you. Thank you.
morning everyone. Happy Children's Day. I think most of you are waiting for this part. Exercise part. Will make interesting. And the staff or like my I told you. Practice more. You spend 40 seconds. अब आफ्नै रिक्समा जिन्स प्यान्ट लगाएको रहेछ हो अब के छ एनिवे जसको स्टाफको अलिक प्रपर हुँदैछ कि छैन हो मेरो कुरा होइन त्यहाँनिर त्यो सेल हुनु पर्यो यो खाली चेन्ज स्टाफको लागि लु चेन्ज स्टाफ Thank you so much.
First of all, congratulate to your extended childhood. हामीलाई पनि बच्चा हुनु मन पर्छ तिमीलाई पनि पर्छ होला So, congratulations to all and happy Children's Day. Significance to thane hola. Still I am telling 14th November, the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who is the first Prime Minister of India, and he has a special affection to the children. So, to commemorate his love towards the children, this day is been selected as nominated or we celebrate this as Children's Day. So, significance just because we have to find our relevance in this day, and any celebration has some significance towards us. This is a time to share our thoughts to the other people and make a group and flourish in a team. this is one of the main reason why we celebrate. हामी सेलिब्रेसन गर्नुको मतलब के हो हामी थुप्रो मान्छेसँगै आएर एउटा थट प्रोसेसलाई च्यानलाइज गर्न अघि बढ्नुको लागि. So that is it. And for today especially, this is for the first time this city is organized in this way. Although we have organized many Children's Day, but this is I think a little bit different. First time I have seen teachers in the assembly line doing the exercise, reading all human relation principle and all. That's nice. This also brings the relevance of assembly for us as well as for you. Today it will be a great day of fun, and sometime we need this kind of break, and this will help you to strengthen your mental health as well as your teamwork. Finally, सबैलाई आजको दिन चाहिँ एटेन्डेन्स लिनु नपरोस् भन्ने हाम्रो इच्छा हो. You should not take attendance. You should give your attendance by yourself. Please participate. Take every opportunity for the participation and make the day full of fun. That's all. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Attention. With the count of 3, 2, 1. भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा इंद्र हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि गंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाये तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 Boys, stand at ease. So I would like to call the principal sir to declare the Children's Day.
Good morning. Today's Children's Day is open, and please, my dear student, enjoy your day. Be with us. We have all our faculty, all our staff have worked very hard to make this very fun for you. So please be with us for entire day till 6 o'clock. And I also request my dear colleague, my dear friend staff, thank you for organizing such a wonderful day started with the much more energy. Thank you for organizing such a wonderful day. And before I request all the students be there only, your teacher, your guide, your mentor will be bringing sweets for you. Let us start the day with the sweets. Have a nice day. Thank you.